You spent hours designing that freebie giveaway. Maybe it's a checklist, a guide, perhaps even a mini course. You've put it out there with high hopes and then crickets. Meanwhile, you see other coaches and fitness professionals out there effortlessly growing their email lists and selling out their fitness programs. And you're left wondering, what's their secret? Here's the hard truth. Most lead magnets don't fail because of effort. They fail because they're not built right. So in this video, I'm going to give you the complete blueprint for creating a lead magnet that not only gets downloaded, but actually drives real leads and clients into your business. Let's get brutally honest. Most fitness freebies flop because they're built to show off, not solve. A good lead magnet is about cramming in everything that you know. It's about delivering one quick win to one specific person who at this current time is struggling. And here's where most people get it wrong. They're too generic. An example that might be the ultimate fitness guide. Your lead magnet should feel like it was written for one person at one specific moment of frustration. They're overwhelming. 40-page ebooks, 2-hour masterclasses. Nobody these days has time. A great lead magnet helps your prospect take one meaningful step forward in 10 minutes or less. They're disconnected from your paid offer. Your lead magnet should be a preview of what to expect next, not a random freebie that attracts the wrong crowd. Want your lead magnet to feel irresistible? Focus it on one painful but solvable problem your ideal client is already Googling. Ask yourself, what keeps them stuck? What's their "I've had enough" moment? What do they wish they could do but don't know how? So forget vague avatars, get ultra specific. An example that might be a busy dad trying to lose the first 10 pounds while working 60-hour weeks. An alternative might be a 50-plus woman who's intimidated by gyms and wants to regain her strength. Your job is to give them that first win. That's it. An example, instead of meal prep guide, create the 15-minute meal prep blueprint for time-starved dads. If you're already getting ideas, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. I drop fresh videos every week with practical, no BS strategies to help you grow your coaching or training business without burning out or selling your soul. And hey, if you want help figuring out exactly where your business is stuck, then I recommend that you go and check out the Growth Engine Scorecard. It's a free diagnostic tool I've built to help fit pros like you get clarity fast. You'll get a personalized score and actionable steps to start fixing the bottleneck that's holding you and your business back. You'll find the link in the description below. Now that you've got the problem nailed, let's pick the right way to deliver the solution. Keep it simple, scannable, and fast. Top formats right now? I recommend checklists, such as pre-workout checklist to avoid injury in 5 minutes or less. Templates or scripts, an example, 3 copy-paste replies for clients who ghost you. How about mini video workshops? 10 to 15 minutes. They're clear, helpful, and high trust. A favorite of mine is quiz or calculators. They're interactive, personal, and great for segmenting your lists. And of course, the favorites, 5-day challenges. They're great for building momentum and getting quick wins. Just remember, match the format to the problem and don't overcomplicate it. Here's the golden rule. Your lead magnet should feel like something people would happily pay for. How do you do that? Hey, here's how to make that happen. Focus on just one promise. No tangents, no extra tips. Deliver that one win. Make it actionable. Don't just teach, guide. Use bold headlines, bullet points, examples, and strong directives. Help them do, not just think. And design matters. So a well-designed PDF or polished video instantly builds trust, but no need to hire a designer. But avoid walls of text or clunky slides. And remember to make that soft bridge to the next step. I've got my admin assistant here helping me. End your magnet by gently pointing to a paid solution. If this helped, my program product takes it further. So here's the full framework. First up, pick one painful, solvable problem your dream client has. Deliver a fast, tangible win in a simple format: checklist, video, quiz, etc. Make it valuable, scannable, and clearly tied to your next offer. Now, this approach doesn't just build your list, it builds trust. And trust is what converts leads into long-term paying clients. If you want help identifying your biggest bottleneck, I recommend you take 2 minutes and go to complete the Growth Engine Scorecard. It will show you exactly where you're stuck and give you clear, actionable steps to fix it. You'll find the link in the description below. And keep an eye out. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn your email list into actual paying clients without being pushy or salesy. Thanks for watching. Let's build it together. See you next time.